Navigating the challenges of visual AI can be quite daunting, even for experienced teams. Organizations today face lengthy development cycles, mounting data complexities, and models that are plagued with mispredictions and hallucinations. And fragmented toolchains leave teams scrambling to connect the dots between their models and underlying data. The reality is that a large percentage of AI projects fail to materialize. And the biggest villain behind this is bad data. Bad data can make the difference between successful AI projects or projects stuck in development spiral. Thankfully, FiftyOne has a solution for that. FiftyOne is the refinery for your visual AI projects that helps you analyze data and models and derive answers to complex questions at every phase of your machine learning lifecycle. Remove manual effort and guesswork to develop better, faster, and more efficiently. In this overview, we'll show you how you can explore, analyze, and visualize your data to curate the most optimal datasets with FiftyOne, use efficient workflows to save on annotation costs and build high-quality data, and evaluate and improve model performance by understanding your model's strengths and weaknesses. AI builders today are working with massive amount of diverse data. And without the right tooling, it can be difficult to make sense of the data and put it to good use. Securely work with billions of visual data samples wherever they reside. Data samples of any size and modality, including images, video data, LiDAR, radar, 3D meshes, point clouds, and much more. You can manage your data, visualize it, filter, and sort it by predictions and confidence levels, as well as filter on any metadata. Gain a better understanding by looking through similar samples, finding unique samples that are interesting for labeling or model training, and even talk to your data using plain text, all within FiftyOne. FiftyOne also allows you to visualize the natural clustering of your data using the embeddings workflow. This is helpful to understand how data is distributed and to find unique outliers in your dataset. A better understanding of your data means you can do a good job of curating it. Building the right datasets for model training and evaluation can be a long and iterative process. But with efficient workflows using FiftyOne, valuable time and resources are saved. Use automated workflows to easily weed out bad samples, such as duplicates, bright or blurry images, and many others. Bad data is detrimental to model accuracy, leading to overfitting and poor model performance. FiftyOne significantly saves annotation time and cost. Adopt smarter and automated pre-annotation workflows to label raw data directly from FiftyOne and reduce costs. Easily find annotation mistakes in your dataset using the embeddings visualization. Tag samples or create separate views to kick off the request annotation workflow. FiftyOne directly integrates with popular annotation tools, so you can initiate fixes for incorrectly annotated samples. Without the right insights, data teams can be left with no option but to only guess the type of data to collect and annotate. Mine samples that your model finds difficult to train on, collect more of those, and optimize what's sent for annotation. FiftyOne Data Lens provides powerful capabilities to augment your dataset without leaving the tool. Directly connect to your data source to query billions of samples, preview them, and import interesting ones into your datasets. FiftyOne also adds efficiencies to development by enabling easy and secure team collaboration. Version datasets, tag them, create snapshots of your data, and even maintain audit trails to satisfy compliance requirements. An important step in machine learning development involves understanding your model's strengths and weaknesses. Without the right insights, it can be difficult to evaluate model performance and select the right one. Initiate model evaluation from FiftyOne, then view and understand the different model metrics. More often than not, the cause of poor model performance is the underlying data. Dive deeper into the model scores down to the sample level to understand the reasons for underperforming metrics. For example, take a look at images that were marked as false positives. Find samples that the model predicts as high confidence false positives to detect any erroneous object classification or detection. Dive into individual samples to understand what was mispredicted and why, so you can make appropriate adjustments. You can also overlay results of two models or two separate runs to analyze results at the sample level. FiftyOne provides side-by-side analysis to compare performance on multiple models, visualize overall metrics, and make a well-informed choice for selecting the best model for your use case. What makes FiftyOne even more powerful and unique? FiftyOne is flexible, extensible, and scalable to meet your evolving project needs. Extend FiftyOne with a powerful plugin framework. Integrate FiftyOne with your favorite AI tools, such as annotation tools, vector databases, Hugging Face, and more. With FiftyOne, models and data are co-developed. No more siloed model development or time wasted in wrangling data. And FiftyOne's commitment to open source is stronger than ever, with transparency, security, and trust at the core of everything we do. With a powerful tool by your side, you can confidently deliver the best data sets and accurate models with speed and efficiency and achieve success with your AI projects.